Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for my brother's birthday. He's turning 40. Happy birthday, Michael. So let's get started.
So, my brother actually lives several thousand miles away, so I can't really make a cake for his birthday. I will settle for a cake dummy and send it to him virtually. So this is a 6-inch and a 4-inch cake dummy frosted with vegan American buttercream. I frost the cakes. And clean up the cake board. Then I rolled out some purple fondant. I don't know if this is still true, but all growing up, my brother's favorite color was purple. Feel free to personalize your version with whatever color you would like. I roll out the fondant and cover both tiers with it. I smooth it on with my hands. And used a fondant smoother to get out the little lumps on the top. And cut off the excess with a knife. Then I did the same thing with the 6-inch tier. Next, I stack the 2 tiers. This is some gold fondant I bought a while back that was super crumbly right out of the package. I added some shortening to it and kneaded it together. The gold fondant actually came together. Amazing! Then I rolled out the gold fondant and cut out some numbers. I started with my brother's age, 40. I placed it on top of the cake. Next, I cut out the year he was born, 1980, and placed it on the side of the top tier. Next, I used a retro kind of alphabet press mold to make the letters of the words the man, the myth, the legend. And I placed a tiny star between each phrase. It fit just perfectly around the bottom tier. Then I used a smaller alphabet press mold to write the words aged, years, and vintage. I placed them around the numbers. Then, using the retro alphabet again, I wrote his name, Mike. We as a family always call him Michael, but I am aware that he goes by Mike. Then, using my clay extruder, I extruded some thin strings of gold. And twisted them together. And placed them around the base of each tier. I love the way this cake turned out. It's perfect for a man turning 40 or even any major milestone. Aged 40 years, vintage 1980, the man, the myth, the legend. Happy birthday, Michael. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.